Hey everyone, welcome back to Legal Loopholes Exposed. If you're like millions of Americans, you've probably found that frustrating yellow envelope on your windshield. In our last short, we teased a little-known loophole. Today, we're not just teasing. We're giving you the complete step-by-step guide to legally fight and void your parking ticket. We'll cover the exact errors to look for, how to write a bulletproof dispute letter, and the strategies that actually work. Stick around until the end, because we've even included a free template you can use. Let's dive into the first and most common category, procedural errors. This isn't about arguing you didn't do it. It's about the officer or the system making a mistake in the process. For example, in many jurisdictions, if the officer fails to note the exact time the violation occurred within a certain tolerance, or if they don't clearly identify the vehicle's make and color, the ticket can be challenged. Another huge one is the expiration date on the ticket itself being incorrect or missing. I'll show you real examples of what these look like on actual tickets.
The second gold mine for fighting tickets is missing or blatantly inaccurate information. This goes beyond a simple typo. We're talking about a missing VIN number, an incorrect license plate state, a location that's so vague it could be anywhere, or the officer's name or badge number being missing. In some cases, even the weather conditions at the time can be a factor if it's a disputed parking violation. I'll break down each of these and why they matter from a legal standpoint.
Okay, you found an error. Now what? This is the most important part. Step 1. Do not pay the ticket. Paying is an admission of guilt. Step 2. Take high-quality photos of the ticket, your vehicle, and the surroundings as evidence. Step 3. Research the specific dispute process for your city or county. Do they require an online form, a mailed letter, or an in-person hearing? Step 4. Write your formal dispute letter. This is not an emotional rant. Be polite, factual, and cite the specific error using the language we discussed. We have a template linked below. Step 5. Submit everything before the deadline and keep copies of every single document.
Even with a solid case, sometimes you might get denied. Don't give up. You often have the right to appeal to a real judge in traffic court. Dress professionally, be respectful, and present your evidence clearly. Remember, the burden of proof is on them to prove the violation occurred correctly. Many people win at this stage simply because the officer doesn't show up.
If this guide saved you potentially hundreds of dollars, the best way to support us is to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Check the description for all the templates and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck fighting that ticket.